Profile of the glazing bead. There are two places the neoprene beading needs to go. The arrow head of the glazing bead slides into the V grooves of the glazing bar. Using the long nose pliers, drag the neoprene to the end of the bar. Leave a couple of inches hanging over the end of the bar just in case it has been overstretched. With a pair of scissors or pliers, cut the ends of the neoprene off. Repeat this process for the other side of the glazing bar. Do not bead in the middle section of the glazing bar.